Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I thought I'd try something totally different. Something the channel has never seen before. You see, videos, they're just too hard to make. So, I thought I would hop on the AI bandwagon and get AI to make me a video. Now, you know, in the spirit of the channel, I thought I'd keep it crypto related. So I asked it to just make me a nice video, 1080p, even though it gave me 720, on how Bitcoin works. Nice and simple, nothing too backbreaking. And you know what? It absolutely smashed it out of the park. So round of applause please for the AI. So hopefully you find this video insightful, and without further ado, let the AI take it away.
Bitcoin, the world's most popular cryptocurrency, has revolutionized the way we perceive and utilize money. In this video by IwanBundaMan, we will provide an in-depth explanation of how Bitcoin works, shedding light on its complex yet fascinating mechanics. At its core, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network known as the blockchain. The blockchain is essentially a public ledger that records every transaction made using Bitcoin. This ledger is distributed across a network of computers, making it highly secure and resistant to manipulation. When a user initiates a Bitcoin transaction, it is bundled together with other pending transactions into a block. Miners, who are participants in the network, compete to solve a complex mathematical puzzle that validates the transactions in the block. Once the puzzle is solved, the block is added to the blockchain, ensuring the transaction's authenticity and immutability. To ensure the security and integrity of Bitcoin, cryptographic techniques are employed. Public and private keys are used to authenticate transactions and provide a digital signature. The public key acts as the user's address, allowing others to send them Bitcoin, while the private key is kept secret and is used to sign transactions, proving ownership. Bitcoin mining plays a crucial role in the functioning of the cryptocurrency. Miners use powerful computers to solve mathematical puzzles, which requires substantial computational power. Successful miners are rewarded with newly minted Bitcoin and transaction fees, incentivizing them to continue securing the network. Bitcoin's limited supply is predetermined and controlled by a process called halving. Approximately every 4 years, the number of new Bitcoins created through mining is reduced by half. This feature ensures scarcity and gives Bitcoin its value proposition as a store of value. In conclusion, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network called the blockchain, where transactions are verified by miners through solving complex puzzles. Cryptographic techniques are employed to maintain security, and the mining process ensures the network's stability while generating new Bitcoin. As IwanBundaMan, we hope this in-depth explanation has shed light on the inner workings of Bitcoin, allowing you to better understand and appreciate this revolutionary form of digital currency.